Hi, I'm Darren from Cuisine on Q. Cuisine on Q is one of London's leading catering specialists. We pride ourselves on delivering fresh and quality food for in and around London. Now I'm going to show you some fresh and exciting sandwich recipes. So now I'm going to show you how to make a classic club sandwich. First of all, you need 3 slices of bread, some unsalted butter, chicken and bacon mayonnaise mix, Swiss cheese, lettuce, cucumber and tomatoes. Next step is to butter the bread evenly. Next step is to take your chicken and bacon, and spread it onto one side of the bread. Next is for the Swiss cheese. Take the second piece of bread, place on top, butter again, evenly, and over to the lettuce. So the cucumber, and finally the tomato. Take the last slice of buttered bread, place on top, and then cut the sandwich with a sharp knife into 4. Take some wooden skewers, keeps the sandwich together. Grab yourself a plate. And that's how you make a club sandwich.